All right, drop right back down, going into that bottom up floor press, and begin. So with this exercise, we're working on our chest muscles, so our pecs. We're working on our shoulder stabilizers. This is really, really good for our rotator cuff. Doing the bottoms up version here challenges their stability. If you're using a dumbbell or holding it the other way, it might be a little bit easier. But I'm choosing a lighter weight to make sure that I can really isolate and work on my rotator cuff and shoulder stability here, as that's something that I've personally been wanting to work on. And then here, switch to the left. If you're going light, maybe it's too light, right? You're feeling a challenge, but it's not quite challenging. You can go ahead and put your legs into a tabletop position. And now we're working on our core. So this might not be doable if you're going heavy, but if you're going light, it's a nice added bonus to work on stability, because that shoulder stability doesn't just come from the shoulder, it comes from our core muscles as well.